Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Steam library not loading problem. So when I try to open Steam library, shows me black screen. Let's fix it guys. First solution is to delete Steam download cache files and change some Steam settings. To do this, click on Steam and open it guys. Click on the Steam on left top corner, click on settings, click on family over here. On family view, you just need to select manage. In here, if the family view is currently turned on, you just want to disable it guys. After doing it, click on Steam again, click on settings and click on interface, and in here you just need to scroll down and disable the enable GPU accelerated rendering. You just want to disable it. Click on restart now. After restarted Steam, you just need to select Steam top left corner, select settings. In here you just need to select the downloads option over here. On right side, select clear download cache, click on it, click on confirm. Remember it guys, after doing this we need to log in back into our account. The login page will be appear. We just need to log in back. After login back Steam, go ahead and check library and check your problem has been resolved or not guys. If you still having a problem, let's move on to the second solution guys. Second solution is to close Steam and reopen it as an administrator guys. To do this, click on close out of the Steam and select the arrow icon over here. Right click on the Steam and select exit Steam. After exiting Steam, you just want to right click on the Steam over here, select run as administrator, click yes, click on the library tab over here and check your problem has been resolved or not. If you're still having a problem, let's move on to the third solution guys. Third solution is simple guys, but work for many peoples guys. Open Steam and click on this enter big picture mode, click on it and wait for it. In big picture mode, select the menu option over here and select library. Hopefully your problem has been resolved at this point guys. For exiting big picture mode, click on menu and select the power and select exit big picture mode. After exiting it, thanks for watching my video guys. Hopefully your problem has been resolved at this point. And that's it for today's video. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.